Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the degrees function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple to use and its purpose is to convert rads into degrees inside of Microsoft Excel. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I have created a little table that contains a list of radians and we're going to convert those rads into degrees. So we have pi divided by 2, we have pi, we have 0, and we have a random number, which in this case is 0.5. So let's convert those numbers into degrees with the degree function. So pretty simple how exactly this function works. So we'll start by writing down equal, and then we can just write down degrees. Here we go. And then we can simply select our angle in rads. And just like that, we can click on enter and we have converted our rad into degrees. So pi divided by 2 in radians will be equal to 90 degrees. Now, if I want to do the same thing for pi, I can just take my function and drag it just like this. So it's going to be 180 degrees. If I do the same thing for 0, in this case, it's going to be 0. And if I do the same thing for 0.5, I can just drag and drop it like this. So this is how this function works. So if, for example, I take this number and I change it for a random large number, for example, 490, which in real life doesn't really make sense, it will be possible to convert it into degrees as well. If, for example, I put a negative number, it's gonna do the same thing as well. So this is how you use the degrees function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.